Good morning everybody and welcome to TUI Sensatori Resort, Aphrodite Hills by Atlantica. My name is Holly and I'm one of the TUI reps here. Welcome to my beautiful resort. This here is the main reception area and we have the arrivals. This is the wonderful hotel guest relations team. Say hi guys. Just outside of the beautiful hotel reception area, we also have access straight to the main pool. This here is the quickest way to get from the main hotel down to the pool area. This is where the whole family can enjoy relaxing by the pool. Over here we do have the adults only pool area. This is for any guests aged from 16 and upwards, and it's more luxurious with floating sunbeds. We do also have the incredibly exciting spray ground. The spray ground is great fun. There is some slides, a bucket full of water that can tip over your head, and endless hours of fun and excitement. Up here in the village square we have our outdoor cinema area. We do show a variety of different shows, so there is something for everyone here. We show the classics such as Toy Story and Mrs. Doubtfire, to the newer things like Jumanji and The Greatest Showman. It is really nice just to sit outside, relax and enjoy a movie. Over here we have the beautiful sunset terrace. Out here is a perfect way to relax and sip on a cocktail and watch the sunset. We also have the resident musicians playing here, and they also play inside here. This is the lovely Carob Lounge, and you'll find our resident musicians playing every evening in here as well while you sip on a nice cocktail. Right now guys, I'm just going to show you one of our one bed family rooms. So you have this lovely area here with a television, and these two can actually be made up into beds as well. And then you've got the main room here with a double bed. These rooms are perfect for families as they have a bath and a shower. So this one bed family room has golf and sea views, and it is also a swim-up room. You do have a swim-up pool which is shared with other rooms along the ground floor. From the main reception area you can quite easily head down to the main buffet area and the Fig and Olive restaurant. Over here we have our amazing Eleona's buffet area. This is where you'll enjoy breakfast, lunch and dinner, and it's served between 6:30 and 9:30. They always have a wide variety of meat and vegetarian options. You have the children's buffet area for any of the little ones that are visiting the resort. They have a healthy selection of vegetables and fruit, some pasta, and of course some sweet treats. In the salad bar you can choose to make up your own salads. One of my personal favourite sections is the dessert bar. Here they have things like freshly made cakes. More healthy options are along the other side with lots of different fruits that you can help yourself to. And you can also choose to finish off your meal with some cheese and crackers. We do also have our healthy vegetarian corner. This is our Jasmine restaurant. This is one of the a la cartes in the hotel. And it has an inside and outside dining option. The Jasmine restaurant is one of our most popular a la carte restaurants. They serve Asian inspired food. The Fig and Olive offers you an adult only dining option for breakfast and lunch, and then offers you a la carte dining options in the evening. The Stone Grill Terrace is a fantastic dining option for adults. For a €20 supplement, you can enjoy stone grill dining. It's a great al fresco dining option for you to enjoy during your time here, and it's located just by the adult pool. Also by the main pool, we do have Jeff's, which is our snack bar. So if you do miss lunch or you fancy a little snack in between meals, come over to Jeff's, and they're open from 9 till 6 every day. Over here by Nursery and Playhouse, come to the TUI Sensatori Nursery. They have fully set up for a rocking robot session. Over here we have the mat area where the children can play with the toys. They usually play sensory videos on these, so they have different sounds and colours. This table area here, which they have set up with one of the rocking robots. In these nurseries, they are all about the sensory, so having these big giant bubble lamps really helps with that. So here we have our silly science lab. Today's theme is rocking robots. Also at the back of the resort we have the children's play area. This is a great little playground to use, especially when you want to cool down a bit. You have a nice breeze coming in from the sea on the right. Downstairs in the hotel we do have our health suite, so we have our gym that's fully equipped and you can use it complimentary. We do also have an indoor pool area. The indoor pool is in fact heated, which is really nice. We also have our award-winning spa. We can help you book any of the spa treatments that you might be interested in during your stay. And you can use all of the spa facilities once you've booked your treatment for the rest of the day. We do also have a hair salon here, so you can get your hair done and nails done and feel pampered during your holiday. So up here behind the golf clubhouse we have the driving range. That is where we hold our Discover golf sessions, and you also get a lovely view of the hills from there as well. You can book out the tennis courts as well, or fancy a little game of ping pong, head over here to the sports hub. There's the wonderful Bradley. He's one of our sports team. He's also amazing at personal training. And this here is the sports hub where you can relax. Over here we do also have the archery shooting range.
Welcome to the TUI Sensatori Resort in Aphrodite Hills. My name's Craig, I'm your sports and wellbeing supervisor here in resort. This is our archery range. We do archery every day, at least once a day at 11 o'clock, and sometimes when it's busy also at 3 o'clock. You can book this activity using our TUI Sensatori app, and here is how you hit the app.
Over here we do also have the TUI Sensatori football pitch. Any of the football activities that you can see on the app, we do have a couple of people playing just there. You can go in and use the football pitch. Once again, the sports and wellbeing team are more than happy to help you out with any sporting activities that you are interested in during your time here. So this area down here is the wellbeing platform. It's already set up for a yoga session. The wellbeing platform is also a really nice space to come if you just need a little bit of a relax and a breather. It's nice and out the way, and you do get a nice breeze coming in off the sea as well. Again, it is really nice if you just have a little stroll around the edge of the resort. You can see all of the other residents in Aphrodite Hills Resort and have a view of the mountains. Thank you for joining me on the TUI Sensatori Aphrodite Hills resort walk. Really hope you enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to subscribe to the TUI YouTube channel to see all of the TUI Sensatori resorts, and don't forget to like this channel. But for now, from Aphrodite Hills, I'm going to say goodbye.